Wow Media here, and as you can see in today's video, we are going to be Christmasifying the Miata today. As you can see, I'm trying to get a little bit better content for you guys. So I went and picked up some microphones for the camera. As you can see, it's on the ominous 10mm that everyone seems to lose. So I decided that'd be a little joke that I would use for my microphone when I carry it around. But today we are going to be wrapping the hood in some Christmas wrapping paper. So let's get started. So here is the wrapping paper of choice that I decided to go with. It's just a simple little green, red, and white design. I thought it would make the hood pop a little bit with it. But as you guys can see, the car needs to be, I'm going to prep the hood by cleaning it, and then I'm going to wrap it so that it's clean underneath and it's not all dirty. But just some simple wrapping paper. So let's get started. So we're going to start off by cleaning the hood before we actually wrap it, as I just said a couple seconds ago. So I'm going to go grab my cleaner and we're going to start the time lapse. Now that we got the hood all prepped and everything's ready to go, we are now going to be taking our wrapping paper. We're going to open it up and we're going to put the first layer on the top, and then I'm going to try to cut it and trim it to the edge of the hood.
Never thought I'd believe in miracles. You made me realize that you're the only one. Don't need to tell me what the future holds. Oh, I'll be fine, 'cause we'll be laying in the sun. So you can let your hair down. I'll hide all of your worries away, and we don't have to go now. I wish I could live this life on replay. Don't need to make plans, it's all in your hands. I'm too busy, I'm spending all my time with you. Driving through the states, don't know what awaits. It don't matter, I'm spending all my time with you. I'm spending all my time. I'm spending all my time with you.
And now we've got our first layer down. We will be doing a second layer, obviously. I feel like it's going to be big enough to cover the whole hood. We'll find out when we go to do it. Right here, I do need to put a little excess piece for this corner. It worked on that corner. I messed it up in this corner, so I'll be fixing that. Easy thing to do. So just now we've got to do our second layer right there, and we'll have the hood all wrapped. I know it's not perfect by any means, but hey, it does the job I need it to do. I need it to just look like the car's wrapped. So hopefully with our second layer we can fix up some of these imperfections, the second one on top of it. So let's get started.
I'm spending all my time with you. I've seen your smile light up the darkest rooms. I'll put your love on top, 'cause I know you will too. You get more beautiful like flowers bloom. I've never felt this yet, it feels like deja vu. So you can let your hair down. I'll hide all of your worries away, and we don't have to go now. I wish I could live this life on replay. So you can let your hair down. I'll hide all of your worries away, and we don't have to go now. I wish I could live this life on replay. Don't need to make plans.
So as y'all can see, it is dark out now, but I've got the hood all wrapped. I know it's not perfect by any means, but it's wrapping paper. Got the aesthetic that I wanted to make the hood look like it's wrapped and looks like it's a present. And I decided to give the car a little bit of an aesthetic to it. So I'm going to finish the little section that I messed up off camera, and then you guys will see the cinematic of me showing this off.